All right, guys, that didn't take too long. I got right at 72 board feet out of that log. Some decent 12-inch wide boards right here. So friends, many of you guys know that for about 15 years I was in law enforcement way before I ran this sawmill for a living. And during the course of that career, I was involved in a lot of critical incidents that really messed with your mental health, sometimes on a weekly basis. And in that career, luckily I was supplied a counselor to go talk to at any time if something was bothering me. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people's employers out there do not supply you with somebody to go talk to if you need help. And friends, that's why I want to tell you about today's video sponsor, BetterHelp. Friends, every year people make New Year's resolutions, but by February, most of them do fade. And all it takes, guys, is small, consistent habits to create growth over time. With BetterHelp, friends, you can fill out a simple questionnaire and get matched up with a therapist in just a couple of days. BetterHelp will match you with a therapist based on your preferences, their own clinical experience, and over a decade of matching expertise. And if it's not a good fit, you can switch therapists at any time at no additional cost. So right now, friends, you can join the 6 million other people who have gotten help with BetterHelp, the platform you can trust. So right now, friends, you can click the link in the description of this video or go to betterhelp.com/outofthewoods and get 10% off your first month of therapy. So BetterHelp, thanks again for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the sawmill. For those of you that saw this first video, you know what's hiding under the bark on this log. Some really nice, wide ambrosia maple, and I'm shocked we've not hit metal yet, to be honest, guys. I expect to see some metal today on this face right here, and hopefully I'm wrong. On the Sawmill, Joe Maine Silvertip Turbo 7. I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but we hit a nail right there. The amount of money this slab will be worth is a lot more than the blade is worth, guys. And I misspoke. Those bandsaw blades, most of the time, unless you hit something really bad, you can resharpen those, reset them, and reuse them. All right, guys, we got 2 more slabs cut. The first one went really well, and that was a brand new blade. But on this second cut right here, I don't know if you guys heard it or not, we hit some metal. Slide this one out of the way. The metal should be in the underside of this slab. Yeah, there it is. There's one nail and there's a second nail right there. And over here on the remainder of the log, right there, are both of the nails. Probably have to dig those out. They'll be kind of aggravating to get to. Of course, these right here shouldn't be too bad. Well, we got one nail right there and a little eye bolt right there. Then I found some more metal right there where I was thinking we might have some. There was a small nail. More nails. Hit one right there as soon as I first went into this cut, and hit one more right there. So guys, I'm done for the day. We got to head to a Christmas dinner here in about 2 hours. I got to head up to the house and get cleaned up. And this log should have been done today, guys, but when you factor in hitting all this metal, filming it, which makes everything take longer. But before we go, this right here might be the best slab of the day, even though it does have the pith right there in the middle. There's a lot of color in this one. So let's go ahead real fast, guys, and grab the bucket, and you know what that means. Look at that maple right there. Look how nice that is. 28 inches wide right there. My goodness. So over here on the sawmill, we have another nice black walnut, even though it's got a curve to it right there. And on the sawmill, we got a Maine Silver Tip Turbo 7. Try to keep the bow parallel to the bed, if that makes sense to you. Right there, that should be good. All right, guys, that blade is done right there. I barely made it through that last cut. Get some decent boards out of this log, 4/4 on the thickness, 16 inches. I will probably end up running a bunch of these through the edger. I'll tell you what though, that's a pretty nice board right there. Let's throw some water on it. Why not?